Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Pixie Dust knot. Let's go and get started. Left side at the belt line as usual. We're just going to come over here. We're just going to kind of do a roll here, roll here. I'm not quite sure what we'll call that, but I'll claim it as mine. I might call it the Simmons pinch or something. We'll bring this over to the center. Bring it around like that. And then have it like this, and we're going to do a wreath. We're going to come across, then we're going to come around, then we're going to fold it in half, and we're going to come up like this. So what I want to do is I want to come through this loop. I'm just going to fold this in half and pull it through. Okay, so that's what we got. This is what we have right here. So then I'm going to do a wreath like this, come around like this, do another wreath, then come over the top of this, and then come down like this. Then I'm going to unfold it, have it like this, come up and over like that. Then I'm going to do another wreath. I'm going to open up this and come over here like that. Then I'm going to have it, it's going to be folded in half. I'm going to come over this. Then I'm going to come back through this loop here. Like that. Put my collar down. Again, follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials. Here we go. We have that. And I'll come up with a name for that. Whatever I did here. So, because I've never seen anyone really do it like that. It's close to what Boris Mocha does, but he folds it. I kind of roll it. So, here you go. There's the Pixie Dust. On your side, my friend, you're fearful one for manly with my tie clip on. Peace and God bless.